Welcome to cable tracking presentation. In this video I'll show you how we do installation. So first of all, we have to reserve. Actually, from previous videos we sent to Lihware reservation for L22. Then we have to go to consumption report. Then we have to put reference. The other things will be automatically, and most of them designed by from which location, like where. This is mandatory, these fields. So it found these two cable in this location, so designed by someone, performed by someone, checked by Yevgeny, and generated. Actually, it's coming automatically. It's taking from my computer my name. Okay, so generate done, proceed. We updated transferable. So where do we see these two cables now? We see it in installation. So you can see this is installed. So this is how we do installation.